Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an ERP system for any industry. So you can create a custom ERP system for whatever you're working on right now. If you're working in a pharmacy, if you're a construction worker, if you're in real estate, if you're in schools, academy, clinics, like all of these industries need an ERP system, and you can easily sell an ERP system for more than $1,000. You can just be an expert in ERP system, and you can basically create an ERP system for so many industries. Okay, so I will show you how you can create a custom ERP system for any industry. So right now I'll go with real estate, and inside real estate we have properties, leads, client, payment, installment, agents, commissions. So let's go with real estate ERP system right now. And this is a prompt that I've prepared with my ChatGPT, and right now I'm on the free version. So I'll just copy this prompt and I'll go inside my aistudio.google.com. So just go to your Google AI Studio and just click on new app. We zoom in, just click on new app and just paste your prompt right here. So everything we're doing right now is completely free, and just click on build. So the things to keep in mind when you're building an ERP system is a database. So you must have some kind of database in which everything is clearly stored. So I'll show you what database we will use inside our Google AI Studio, because we just don't want a prototype. We want a complete system, a functional system that we can also like sell to people. We want everything to be stored inside our ERP system. So that's what we're going to do, right? So as you can see on the right side, we have a design preference. So you can like select from multiple designs. I want a simple design. I don't want like a lot of, so yeah, I think I'll go with this design. You can also like have a feel of this prototype. So let's go with this design. Let's select this one. And on the left side, it's asking you for enable database to save data access devices. So this is a database which is called Firebase. Firebase, this is a product of Google, and this is a database. I don't want you to learn this database. Just go ahead and like enable Firebase, and it will like automatically do everything inside the database, and you'll just like have to use the software. It's that simple. Again, we're on the free version. You can just click on this top right gear icon, and from here you can see that we have free request. You're currently using free tire request. We're using Gemini 3.1 Pro, which is like a very good model for this development. So I'll check you once this is done. So after 154 seconds, it has made me this system. I don't actually want a sign-in thingy right now. I don't want an authentication system. We could remove that, but let's just like use it for now. So this is the ERP system. Let me click on this zoom button, and right now we have active leads 2, availability inventory 3, closed deal 0, total revenue is this. Let's go to leads. Okay, can we add a lead? Okay, right now it's not working. Can we add a customer? It's not working. Okay, so let's ask it to like make everything functional. So right now I've seen the entire software and everything is looking good. It's perfect. I want to make everything functional. I want to like have a functional thing whenever I want to like add a customer, add a lead, add a property. I can easily do that. So right now it's not working. I think the database is not like properly connected. So go ahead and like connect the database. So right now it's like this is a prototype, and I'm not able to like add things here. So in a moment I will be able to do it. So you can basically customize it for any industry. Right now it's for real estate. You can do it for pharmacy stores. You can do it for hotels, travel agencies, farms, garment, furniture, printing, security, cleaning. Trust me, there are so many people who want an ERP system for their business, and this is a very good industry that you can tap into. And if you just work in the ERP niche, it will make you so much money that you don't have to like move to some other industry. What you can do is you can also like make an ERP system. Let's say I've made this ERP system for a real estate person, and I can just package it. I can say that this is an ERP system that you can buy from me. The monthly cost will be something like $50. You can like have 100 customers, and that will make you like 10,000 a month easily. So right now it has made everything functional, created a structure, and like made a database and stuff. Let's go to leads. Let's add a new lead. Let's say Ali Amin. Lead source was Instagram, status contacted, one something like this, and just click on save. Yep, so we have saved Ali Amin contacted. Okay, looks good. You can also make more changes. If you want to customize it, you can have an edit button here. You can ask your AI to do that. Can we add customers? Yes, we can. So this is like how you can create a high quality ERP systems. You can like add everything, you can remove it, and you can have everything inside a dashboard. So right now we have 3 leads here. We have everything being updated in real time on our dashboard. So this is how you can create a high quality ERP system, and this is not just one thing. You can create an ERP system for almost any industry, and you can sell it as a service. You can just do business around ERP. Just create a website of like something ERP systems in UK, ERP system in America, and write all of these industries. We do ERP system for pharmacy. We do ERP system for wholesale and distribution, in construction, real estate. Trust me, you can do it for anything. So just like go ahead and create a ERP system one time, and that will clarify all of the questions inside your head. So this is it for this video. If you want to become an AI web developer, I have made a community which will take you from a beginner to a pro in the next 30 days. So that will be the first link in description. I will see you in the next one. Keep building.